What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Quick update on the RX8. I took it apart in another video a while ago. Got the heads here on the ground. We're going to throw these heads into a cleaner. Got some degreaser here. Just went to the hardware store and picked up some like general concentrated floor, or not floor, but a degreaser. We'll see what happens. I'm going to put it in there, dilute it a little bit with water, and we'll put a head in and leave it in there for a couple days, see what happens. I don't know. Hopefully we get them cleaned up, and then we'll start putting this motor together. Put a redo all the heads. We're gonna have Emiliano come in, show us how to do the heads, show us how to do the cam. Gonna put all that together, clean this guy up, get it going. All right, so we got it in there. It's actually working very well already. So it already took off a good layer of grease, even when I was just pouring it in there. But don't put it on your hands. This stuff's actually pretty potent. It's already burning my hands. Probably shouldn't have done that, but whatever. But yeah, we're gonna use the second one for the second thing. I got this right at Ace Hardware down the street. I'm sure you can get the same type of deal at Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever. I'm sure they have it there. It's just cleaner degreaser. Filled an entire bottle and then did some water there. So we're gonna see how it comes out in a couple days. All right, so it's been a couple days. This is our concoction of death. You can see how black it is. Yeah, I'm gonna pull this head out, put it over here and see how it cleans up. Maybe hit it with the pressure washer, so let's see. All right guys, so it's been quite a few days. These cleaned up nice. These cleaned up pretty nice. This is just from leaving it in there. Yeah, they both came out pretty good. So I'm pretty excited now. We're gonna take out the springs. I bought the spring tool, well, the removing tool. So hopefully I can figure it out. Shouldn't be too hard. I'm gonna watch a YouTube video on it, because why not? And we'll try to get these off. Also, picked up a little toolbox, got my mini fridge going. I cleaned out the garage a little bit. I was able to get the cars back in here. Still dirty over here. And it's still a mess over here, but we're working on it. We're trying to make it a little better, make it a little nicer in here. Actually start working on my own stuff, so let's get after it. So yeah, it's pretty simple. 2 bolts in here, spacer on the bottom. Put it on. I'll put a link down to this tool if you guys ever want to use it. I know a lot of guys already have them, but I'll put a link down in the description for the tool so you guys can use it. So basically, for those who don't know how to do it, put the bracket on, tighten her down, take out these keepers. Helps with the magnet. Helps with the magnet. You want to take these guys out. And once you get these out, back off the nut and you're good to go. I already got 2 out. I'm gonna take them all out. All right guys, so we got them all out. We got all the springs out. Do yourself a favor, make sure you get a deep socket, unlike me, who I'm an idiot and had to use that huge breaker bar with the 1/2-inch drive on it, because I don't have any deep sockets yet, because I'm kind of just getting in and working on my own stuff. So we got the springs here to put them in, but I need new valve seals. I didn't get valve seals, so gotta order some valve seals. Gonna reuse all this and then get the valve seals, get the springs in. Maybe Emiliano will come and put it all together for me.
or help him. And then we have all of our parts here for the RX8. We got all that ready to go onto this. As far as that's pretty much where we're at with that. I want to also get it inside of here, but I got to clean this up still more, and then got to move my junker Audi out there. If anyone wants to come over and tow the Audi out of the way, because I got to just move it like 6 feet, and then I can push the RX8 all the way around. But anyway, DSM's running good. Corvette is running good. The only thing I did that, I scratched it doing that. Clutch stinks, right? Yeah, pain. But yep, this is running good. Just need O2 sensors. Could use O2 sensors, and then the gas cap. Yeah, that doesn't work. And this thing has been running pretty good. I haven't had any complaints with this in a while. It stopped doing that hydro locking thing, or vapor locking thing, so that hasn't been a problem really in a little while. So we're good on that. And other than that, we have September 3rd coming up, DSM Evo meet and greet. We have 8 confirmed vendors, a whole bunch of people going to that. That is going to be a good time. Dyno on site, so I'm going to be putting this on the dyno. I know a lot of high horsepower Evos and DSMs are going to be on the dyno there. There's going to be like a prize for first highest horsepower. So definitely come out to that. Even if you don't have any Evo and DSM, you can park in spectator parking in the back. So check that out. That'll be September 3rd, 10 a.m. at Spring Street Performance. You can Google Spring Street Performance, and I'll have the address down in the comments below. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Peace.